Poo. Parasites and worms infiltrate into the body from very young and live and thrive inside of us. Very few people do not have parasites and worms inside of them. What? For example, we had this one client whose face would get inflamed. It would happen around his mouth, so most of the time. Well, ever since clearing him from the inflammation and parasites kits, he has not had an episode since. When? Parasites and worms exist in 95% of us. They normally coexist with us in a non-threatening manner. However, if they do come to the surface, they can present problems such as mouth blisters, itchy tummy, rectal itching, teeth grinding, itchy nose, athlete's foot, thrush, bladder infections, jock itch, yeast infections, or crawling sensations under the skin. How? Rebalance the client of parasites, worms, and inflammation response. The symptoms should begin dissipating within 1 to 5 days.